Welcome to Compare to Win. The best softbox light bulb is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for anyone serious about photography or videography, as it provides the perfect lighting solution to eliminate harsh shadows and create a soft, flattering glow that elevates your subject matter, making it indispensable for achieving professional-looking results in any shooting environment, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Number 5. Mastery MART A19 LED Bulbs. Experience steady, flicker-free lighting that's gentle on your eyes. Enjoy smooth, consistent light perfect for reading, working, or relaxing. Save on your energy bills with these efficient bulbs. They use only 9W to provide the brightness of a 60W bulb, saving you up to 85% on electricity. These bulbs provide 800 lumens of crisp, bright illumination in a daylight white. Colors appear true and vibrant, making your spaces comfortable and welcoming. With a standard A19 shape and E26 base, they fit most lamps and fixtures. They are ideal for any room in your home. Each bulb is rigorously tested for top quality and performance. They are UL and Energy Star certified for safety and reliability, ensuring hassle-free lighting. Built to last for years, these bulbs have a true 10,000-hour lifespan. Enjoy long-term, reliable lighting for your home. What we like. Enjoy steady, flicker-free lighting that's gentle on your eyes. These bulbs save up to 85% on electricity and provide bright, true-to-color illumination. If you are looking for reliable, everyday lighting for your home that's easy on your eyes and your wallet, you should consider this. What people say. The Softbox light bulb provides excellent diffusion, creating a soft and even light that minimizes harsh shadows. It features a unique design that allows for quick setup and adjustment, making it convenient for various shooting scenarios. The bulb's high CRI, color rendering index, ensures accurate color reproduction, which is crucial for professional photography and videography. Number 4. 85W CFL Daylight Spiral Bulb. This bulb is designed to save you energy, providing the equivalent brightness of an 800W incandescent bulb while using only 85W. Experience daylight quality illumination, even in dimly lit spaces, creating the perfect environment for your photography. Enjoy an extended service life of approximately 8,000 hours thanks to its low operating temperature. The quality aluminum construction ensures efficient heat dissipation, maintaining its powerful illumination. It delivers an impressive 6,000 lumens of brightness with a 5,500K daylight cool white light. You'll get a clear, flicker-free light with no dark spots, ensuring professional results. Designed with a standard E27 socket, it fits easily into any compatible fixture. Its dimensions are 9.5 inches in length and 3 inches in diameter. Each bulb is protected with professional, shockproof foam packaging to prevent damage during transit. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This bulb offers a super bright, daylight equivalent experience, perfect for creating a good photographic environment. It boasts a long lifespan and rapid heat dissipation. If you need a powerful, single bulb solution for photography or studio work and want excellent value, you should consider this. What people say. The Softbox light bulb provides excellent diffusion, creating a soft and even light that minimizes harsh shadows. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to set up and transport, ideal for on-the-go photography or small studio spaces. The bulb features a high color rendering index, CRI, ensuring accurate color reproduction and natural-looking skin tones. Number 3. GVM 80W Video Light Softbox Lighting Kit. Experience exceptional lighting with our 80W video light. It offers full-range dimming and beam angle control, perfect for any studio setup. This kit includes a premium PET softbox that ensures excellent reflection and diffusion. It provides a soft, shadow-free beam for perfect shots, protecting your eyes during long shoots. Easily adjust your lighting with the 180 degrees rotatable softbox. The stable aluminum alloy tripod ensures it stays put, allowing for versatile lighting from any angle. The integrated LED lamp head provides high brightness with low energy consumption. Easily adjust brightness and color temperature directly on the unit to suit your specific needs. Setting up this lighting kit is a breeze, taking only minutes. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for portraits, fashion, product shots, and video production. This comprehensive kit includes an 80W light, a 22-inch softbox, and a 79-inch tripod stand. It's your go-to solution for professional photography and videography. What we like. This kit features an 80W LED light with a Bowens mount for versatile softbox compatibility and high CRI for accurate colors. Its adjustable head and sturdy tripod ensure stable, customizable lighting. If you are a videographer or photographer looking for a professional, adaptable lighting setup for studio work, you should consider this. What people say. The Softbox light bulb provides excellent diffusion for a soft, even light, reducing harsh shadows. It features a convenient E27 base, making it compatible with most standard lamp holders. The bulb offers a high color rendering index, CRI, ensuring accurate color reproduction for photography and videography. Number 2. Photography Light Bulb 2x135W E27 5500K. Experience significant energy savings with these powerful bulbs. They simulate natural daylight, providing an excellent photographic environment even in dimly lit spaces. Enjoy brilliant, flicker-free illumination with 6,000 lumens of cool white light. These bulbs ensure no blind spots, creating perfect lighting conditions for your shots. Designed with a standard E27 socket, these bulbs fit easily into any compatible fixture. Their compact size makes them convenient for various lighting setups. Benefit from a long service life of approximately 8,000 hours. Their robust aluminum construction ensures efficient heat dissipation, maintaining consistent illumination power. Rest assured with our professional, shockproof packaging. Designed by experts, the inner foam protects them from damage during transit, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. What we like. Get twice the lighting power with these two 135W bulbs, offering a combined output equivalent to 800W incandescent. They provide a super bright, flicker-free daylight experience. If you need a cost-effective, high-output lighting solution for a larger studio or multiple setups, you should consider this. What people say. The Softbox light bulb provides excellent diffusion, creating a soft and even light that is perfect for photography and videography. It features a unique design that allows for quick setup and adjustment, making it convenient for on-the-go use. The bulb itself is energy efficient and produces a consistent color temperature, ensuring high-quality lighting results. Number 1. HPUSN Softbox Photography Lighting Kit. Introducing the HPUSN Softbox Photography Lighting Kit, designed to bring professional studio lighting to your fingertips. Achieve flawless illumination for any photography or video project. Our softbox features a collapsible nylon design with a silver inner baffle and white diffusers. This ensures your light is spread evenly, eliminating harsh shadows and creating a balanced look. Easily adjust your lighting with a 210 degrees rotatable head and a height adjustable stand. Extendable from 82 cm to 191 cm, it adapts to any shooting scenario. Equipped with two 60W LED bulbs, these provide bright, 5400K daylight illumination equivalent to 800W incandescent bulbs. Save energy while enjoying consistent, long-lasting light. Perfect for portraits, fashion, children, and still life photography. This kit creates stunning lighting effects for indoor shoots, making your images more captivating. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty. If you have any questions or are not completely satisfied, we're here to help within 24 hours. What we like. This kit includes a large 30x30 softbox with a 210 degrees rotatable head for versatile lighting angles. The energy-efficient LED bulbs provide consistent daylight illumination, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. If you are a content creator or photographer focusing on portraits or studio work and want a comprehensive kit with excellent support, you should consider this. What people say. The Softbox light bulb provides excellent diffusion, creating a soft and even light that minimizes harsh shadows. It features a convenient E27 base, making it compatible with most standard lamp holders and easy to install. The bulb's design allows for quick setup and adjustment, enhancing its usability for photography and videography. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.